Cy'umutinyo ikomi umwaka yegabwe kiri bubere 2025 ni litko liratigale asebitabu bekenyolyo asomo waziri omoneno mukoro Raila Odinga abeire kakoligereria gose omuyegabwo komoenia obakogokorekana litko lero ase University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga me county ya Siaya. Abo ni gwabarai baba bagwikira na sensemeyo chinga cyumurai wense Dr. William Ruto abaga ko umuyegoyo ase chinsemecho abanyanyimbo bobolendi ni gobaruta chimbunde 19 komoro kya amaskani iyo moelio mulikito Petro Machini na mange
Chitariki 19 umutinyo 10 umwaka w'ikirubire na 2025 Nigorira tikari nene asebitabu byanse ya Kenya nensenkima sinse ya Kenya ya moiresko yekerengo kigoro oyomo wa abarwandiria bechinguru kesiasa Raila Amolo Odinga iteromoyega wesikanene korokya maskani manene oyokorekana ime ye University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga me Bonde County ya Siaya. Ayankorengana nengwana yomraibwense moske Dr. William Ruto litikoria Jumatano tariki 15 mutinyo ikome omwakoyo asa Ruto gochika na omurayo mukuru moske Raila Amolo Odinga kwewa SKNN asokwen wokwae egento abre bairoko bokomraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase egetambukere kiga.
Let me put it on record that many years ago in Bondo, in Nyamira, when we had requested the government of the day to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga a state funeral, the government of the day refused to give Jaramogi a state funeral. All they did was to offer us one helicopter. And we all said, if that is all you are going to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, we say no, and we'll take Jaramogi to his final resting place in Bondo. So I do not want to take it for granted that you've given Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga a state funeral. I do not want to take that for granted. Indeed, this is the first proper state funeral with military colors, with the participation of the military.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to thank you on behalf of the party for the honor and dignity that you have granted to our father, our patriot, as he lies here as an elaborate state burial, which you have overseen personally.
Omoyega bwenyanki yomwerio, nenchiremo yokomweske yense nigo abri Nanyakuro chinse cheisiko bunabono murayo mukuru bwense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo yokabero murayo bwense ya Kenya muske Uhuru Kenyatta egatia bari banyako bawikarana segetie ekyo na kwenda na engora yabo ya bene asichimbunde chamasasi 15 na ibere echanyako chikurutwa sensemeyo ereko moisko yomwerio muske Raila Amolo Odinga
Mizinga 17.
Soboina bwaye ensemo yogotimokera kwaye ekerebendere yo yatubire esanduki ya nyagusira Raila Odinga yanyakabage koringwa na kwena no wacha amate yae nekimanyirio kya maskani manene
aweze kukabidhi bendera kwa military police ili waweze kumkabidhi Mama Aida Odinga kwa shukurani, ama ikiwa ni ishara ya shukurani kwa kazi ambayo kiongozi huyu aliweza kutekeleza kwa taifa letu la Kenya.
Na bono ekerolire likulimira kuchachinge guchenyancha ya Lake Victoria ensi ya Kenya nige kumarusirie kondo Raila Amolo Odinga oyo orengereti Kenya yobumo obwanchani no morembe kweneki wabotambe Pethuel Machin Ensoko TV e county